Today is a very exciting day. A lot of you have been recommending we take a day trip over to Yokohama. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today.
Yes.
It's about an hour-long metro ride from Shibuya. So we're here right now and we're gonna get breakfast, then head straight over there. So we are here in a spot called Happy Pancake, which is something that you guys actually recommended to us.
I'm so excited.
For real, me too.
Amazing.
This place looks special.
Yes.
So we are very excited. Have you figured out what you want?
Yeah, I want the pancake with bacon and scrambled egg.
The sweet ones look so good too.
Yeah,
I have no idea what I'm
You
gonna
should get a
do.
sweet one, we'll share.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
It literally smells so good.
We have to try this right now.
Yeah, dessert first. Oh my.
Really? We're here in Yokohama. We are very excited. There's so much to do here. It's actually insane. We could not decide on what to do first.
I know, I wish we would have been here for like 2 days, but...
Honestly, we could be here for like a week.
Yeah.
But one thing that you guys recommended to us was something that really caught our attention. And that is to go see a life-sized Gundam, which is like a transformer kind of
it's
looking
like a robot.
thing.
It's huge.
Yeah, this huge robot. Let's go see what this is all about. This is crazy. I have never seen anything like this. I'm so excited. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, let's do it. Thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Have a good time.
Oh my god.
What the heck? Look at that thing. Wow. Okay, so we're waiting for the show to...
It's opening,
it's opening right now. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, that's insane. How? That was amazing.
Insane.
Yeah, if robots ever take over the world, that one's one to be concerned
Yeah, we gotta
about.
keep our eye on this guy right here. I mean, that's
He's so
ridiculous.
big.
Look at how big he is.
It's crazy. It would be like 5 of me. No, like
5?
20 of me.
5 of Hershey things. What do you think you are? 17 feet tall?
We got Legos! Yay!
They're not Legos. This is to like build one of these Gundam things at home. It's very cute.
I didn't know what to call it.
I know, why'd you say Lego? Okay, anyways, we have a lot more planned today and so much to explore of this amazing city. But before we continue, we have to take a second to talk about the sponsor of today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Private Internet Access. Private Internet Access is the world's most transparent VPN provider. With over 30 million downloads, they never record or store any user data, and they have a verified no logs policy.
As digital nomads, we travel a lot, and we constantly need access to the internet. For us, that means connecting to random Wi-Fi networks all throughout the day.
When you connect to a public Wi-Fi network, your information is at risk of being hacked. And that's why we like to use the Private Internet Access VPN to protect our sensitive information from any hackers, no matter what Wi-Fi we are using.
And I know a lot of you are probably thinking, what are the odds of some hacker sitting in a cafe waiting to steal my information? Think about it like using using your smartphone without a case. You never think that you're going to drop it, but it takes that one unlucky time to crack your screen.
And that's why you use a smartphone case, and that's why we use private internet access. All you need to do is turn on your VPN using the private internet access app, and with one click you are protected. This works as a secure pipeline, shielding your digital life from any potential hackers, government interference, or corporations looking to access your information. On top of this, there's entertainment benefits to using private internet access, as this VPN works with every major streaming service. So you can access all of your favorite shows from all over the world using their world-class server infrastructure, which covers 83 countries and every single United States state.
If you use this link, which is also going to be in our description, you can get a huge 83% discount on private internet access.
Which works out to just about $2 a month. And on top of this, you will get 4 months completely free. So sign up for private internet access today, risk-free, with their 30-day money-back guarantee and 24/7 customer support. And with that being said, let's get back to exploring Yokohama. So cute!
It's Christmassy!
The way to Rhylan's heart is always through Christmas decorations.
Exactly. It really is.
So I knew you would love this.
Yeah.
This right here is the Yokohama red brick warehouse. It's got a bunch of stalls. We saw some ice skating. Yeah, snacks. So let's walk around and take it all in. Look, baby, have hot chocolate.
Oh, we have to get some.
Can we have 2 premium hot chocolate?
This one?
Yes.
Yeah, 2.
Yes, please. Arigato. Oh, look at those. Ever since we had that takoyaki in Osaka,
Oh yeah.
I'm so scared of burning my mouth.
I know, my mouth is still recovering. Too hot.
Babe.
Too hot. Too hot. We'll try again in 30 seconds. It's so good. This is the best.
This just hit my spirit.
I love it.
Wow.
That's so cute.
I didn't know that the Japanese people took Christmas so seriously.
Oh,
This is really warming my heart.
so pretty.
Alright, she is not doing very well.
I'm so cold.
So we're gonna go into the actual warehouse right here and
Check it
escape
out.
this cold for a little bit. I want some Japanese curry.
こちら2つはい
すごいね、もう綺麗に戻ってる。
見せるためのものお待たせしましたカツカレー1点ですありがとうございます
Japanese curry is unbelievable how good it is. Let's see how the red brick warehouse's curry is.
That's a really big bite.
I know.
Is it hot? Yep, of course. There he goes, burning his mouth again.
Really good though. Okay, we're strapping up.
There is an ice skating rink and I had to make him take me.
You're about to see Rhylan try and prove herself to be a good skater. Remember the last time how it went? It is honestly unbelievable
He's pulling
how much she oversold herself.
Yeah, it was not good. I'm so nervous, honestly.
She's always all talk, and then when it's time to get on the ice,
I know.
scared.
I'm scared. It's very slippery.
Come
I
on,
made
baby.
it. I did it
I
myself.
need you to not just scoot like an old lady.
Okay, okay.
Come on.
No, babe, you have to stay holding on.
Oh! She hasn't let go of me yet.
I just need to hold on and then I'm good.
You're gonna need to trust yourself and try and get the hang of it.
No, I like it like this.
Okay, alright.
I'm filming. Oh no! Wow. I
Wow.
got that on camera, dude.
Of course you get that one on camera.
I mean,
Wow.
ridiculous. Watch this.
Wow, look at that. No, oh. Okay,
I mean,
okay.
you can't be
Getting a little
talking,
scary.
you know.
Guys, we are loving every second of our time here in Yokohama.
So beautiful here.
And we saved the best for last. We are in Chinatown here in Yokohama, which is also known as the biggest Chinatown in Japan. Check this out right here. There's like an infinite amount of options of yummy snacks that we could have.
I want a pork bun or a red bean bun.
You can get those at 7-Eleven.
I know, but I feel like they're better here.
The soup dumplings. I've heard they have good soup dumplings.
Yeah.
And then we also definitely need something
those.
sweet. What?
They have little pandas on them.
Look at that, guys.
They're exactly. They're so cute.
Those look cute.
Can we get one?
Of course, let's go. The line's not bad. Oh, these look so cute, baby.
I know. It's so hot. I think I need to wait for it to cool down. So, look at the steam literally coming off of it. I'm gonna destroy his cuteness.
That's so rude. Ooh, that looks good.
Okay, ready?
Go ahead.
I'm scared.
I'm scared for you.
Oh, hot. Mmm.
Better than 7-Eleven? Good. Ooh, look right here. Soup dumplings.
Yay.
It's my turn. It's my turn. Alright, let's try it. So good, baby.
Really?
So good. Do you see it? It's all juicy.
So good.
Here you go.
Mmm.
Good, right? I know what you're after. Oh, it's one of these things, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so caramelized.
Wow, let me see.
It's so thick on.
Whoa. You can see it reflecting the light. That's gonna be crunchy, baby. Alright, let's see your first bite. I want to hear the crunch. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff.
Very good.
Are you sure?
Very good, yes.
I didn't even see you get into that thing.
I did. I got into the caramelized part.
So that's all you care about?
Yeah.
Not the strawberries? But anyways, it's cold, it's getting late, so we are gonna head home and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.
Bye.